That's it. Now we're going to go put the rest, put it in. As soon as we find the bolts. Now we got to go look at the bolts. Go ahead and put an air in that. It's going to be a minute. I got to air out my line. Here's a little more air hole for you.
Yeah, there's no pressure showing in this tire at all. These cracks don't help a thing. See how this tire's supposed to be a seam right there, and it becomes a big deep crack. Clear around. Over here too, look at that. That's all cracked. Close enough.
That's the one you had repaired, right?
Yeah, it's going to 47.
Start putting some bolts in here. Ooh. Now, were we gonna put anything on these? Now I need the big washer ones.
We have a bag with 4 and a bag with 1.
Well, give me one. And
oh wait, no, you've been into that bag. Never mind. That makes sense. Yeah. Here's your one. Just blue Loctite.
So we don't want to put any anti-seize on those.
Want more?
Two more.
2 more.
This thing moves around a lot too. Oh, come on.
Probably designed to. It's just a trailing arm. It'll stiffen up though once you get those knuckle on it and stuff.
Dummy me, I put the bolts in the long holes. Put the long ones in the short holes and the short ones in the long holes.
What did you say torque was on these?
35.
Yeah, because they're listed soft bolts, 10.9. So yeah, these won't take a lot of torque. Glad you didn't ugga-dugga.
Well, if we put it on 1,
yeah,
I need one more fat washer. There we go. Then I can start ugga-dugging with the. If we took that stubby and put it on 1, I can just snug them up and then we'll torque them. Now these here bolts, if you look, trying to get a picture of them here. It says soft 10.9. I hope the camera's focusing. They're all soft 10.9s and they're 35 foot-pounds for all of these. Now, looks like Ford's changed up the washers on us a little bit for the bolts, but that's where we're at. So 35 foot-pounds for these, for that bracket. Try to there first. Now that didn't work. Wonder why that ain't going. What's going on there? Threaded it. Yeah, I cross-threaded it.
Oh, shoot.
Well, maybe not. Yeah, I cross-threaded it. Give me another one. Let me see if it'll go in.
Have a bunch of those. Those are too big, right? Not those. I don't.
Give me one of the old ones.
Yeah.
On the other side there. See what it does. This one definitely. The other one went right in. I don't know why this one didn't.
Yeah, these look different to me. You want the longer ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me one of the old long ones. Yeah. See what it does.
Okay, hold it first up to against the new one. Do they look similar?
Yeah, they look. The other one went right in.
I'll be darned.
Yeah, they're the same.
You know, there's a real rust ridge on the edge here where you supposedly cross-thread it too, though. There just may be some rust up in there. I wonder if we should put a little penetrant or something on the tip to get that started.
Yeah, there's rust there.
Yeah. Well, I want you to gingerly try that first, because that might lubricate before you give it.
I may have to force the issue. Because that one went right in there.
But remember, they're soft.
I know.
You sure don't want to do it with the, I know it'll take some time, but...
Well, give me the ratchet. Let me see what I can do.
Sounds better.
Mm-hmm.
Are you into the threads yet?
Yeah. It's getting harder. They're rusty, that's all.
Yeah.
Those holes are really rusty.
You know, before you hit the others, maybe just shoot some WD up there as a little additional.
Yeah, probably wouldn't hurt. But I gotta have that. Now they're going in. I don't know why the impact was such a problem. Yeah, they're just rusty holes. That's a place. Yeah, it's going in a lot easier by hand.
Nice.
It's not fighting me, so it's not binding up like it's cross-threaded. It's just a rusty. That's what I was worried about, because those were so rusty coming out.
Right.
Ooh. I could probably just about impact those things in now.
How about the right angle? That gives you a lot of control over it.
And it wouldn't be, it'd be too close.
Put a pinch on it.
Yeah, I just don't want this. I don't know if there's a right or a wrong way for the position. one's too soft. That's why it ain't going in. That's why it feels so bad. All the movement on this. It ain't. Look at that thing.
Yeah, I think that's exactly right. What size was it? 13?
13, yeah. I bet you they're at 35 easy.
35?
Yes. I'm gonna guarantee I probably exceeded that.
Need an extension or not?
Oh, well.
Oh, look at that. Perfect.
I thought I exceeded it. I did not. Wow. I guess I'm not as good as I thought.
No, you rather under torque it than over torque it.
I was trying to be easy on it.
That would be a bad day to twist a head off one of those.
Well, number 2 won't give you apparently a whole lot of ugga-duggas. At least I didn't overdo it. There we go. 35.
Nice.
There we go, folks. Sway bar is now installed under the subframe. Can't get any better than that. We're getting there. Lots of stuff happening. All right, I got this rear differential unit cable hooked up here and up in the frame up here, right there by my finger. There's a white one that goes into the frame, and then there's a black one that goes into this cross member of the frame, and then it just sort of hangs the rest of the way. So that's where it's at. It's a little different on the 2013s, but for this 2011, this is where they ran the plugs, and I got everything situated. So the RDA cable is in place. I guess we got to start working on some other things.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.